Hi everyone, it's Cook Step by Step, and today we're making brandy 3-way. So these are some of the ingredients we'll be using, and today we're making a Chicago cocktail. Prepare an old-fashioned glass by rubbing a slice of lemon around the rim and then dip into powdered sugar. So that's good. Then, in my mixer, I'm gonna add some ice. And then I'm using this brandy, and I will be adding 2 ounces of brandy to this. There is 1 ounce and the second one. This is very simple. We'll just add all the ingredients and then mix it together. And then I have a dash of bitters, triple sec, and this I will be adding 1/2 ounce. There is 1/2 ounce in there. Next up, close the lid, seal tight, and shake. Shake, 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 and serve. I forgot to add the ice, so I will be adding the ice after the drink. You need to definitely add the ice before the drink, and then just stir it all together. Next up, I got my martini glass and moisturized the rim, and now I'm dipping it in some powdered sugar, and this one is gonna be the cherry blossom. This one was my favorite. I like my cocktails a little bit sweeter. So ice, my ice, and more ice. You can never have enough ice in your fridge. And first the brandy, 1 ounce. And 1/2 ounce. So 1.5 ounce of brandy. And then I have a cherry liquor. This is wild cherry liquor, and it's not too sweet. That's what I like about it. So it's not like a syrup, which I've came to realize that a lot of the liquors are very, very sweet, but this one is less. That's why I like it so much. And triple sec. One and a half teaspoon. One and a half teaspoon. And then grenadine. This I'm gonna add the same amount. 1.5 teaspoon. And some lime juice, 2 teaspoons. 1 and 2. And now close and shake. And simply stir it. And then add a maraschino cherry. Delicious. And next up, the last one, a brandy julep. I filled up the glass with shaved ice, and I'm adding 5 to 6 leaves of mint and 1 teaspoon powdered sugar and 2 ounces of brandy. So that is 1 ounce and a second. There you go. And now just stir it up. And make sure you do not hold the glass with your hand, because the warmth from your hand will melt the ice, and we don't want that. I also added some triple sec because it was just too bitter for me. and finish with the straw and some decoration. I hope you like this video, and if you have brandy sitting at home and you don't know what to do with it, try one of these and let me know what you guys think. Cheers!